Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach honesty to standard 8 students. This is a lesson which is going to give us our life values. So the chapter is honesty. Suppose you find a 100 rupee note on the road, what would you do? So you have options. Keep it in your pocket and walk away, or try to find its owner. Here's the story of a boy who found an envelope containing 1000 rupees. Let's find out what he did with the money. Shomit was going to play in the park. As he headed towards the park, he saw an envelope lying on the pavement. He picked up the envelope and opened it. So he saw an envelope lying down on the road, and so he picked it up, Sumit, and he opened it. He found, what did he find? He found 10 100 rupee notes in it. Sumit was very happy to find the money. He thought, what did he think? Immediately, what came to his mind? I can buy a new video game with this money. How long I have been waiting for this game. Today, Lady Luck has smiled upon me, and I will use this opportunity to fulfill my wish. So, immediately when he got the money, greed came to his mind. Greed overpowered his mind. So he thought, since so many days I am thinking to get a video game, and today I am going to buy it because luck has favored me. So now let us come, students, to the next page. As he was thinking so, a voice came from inside. So a voice from inside, we all have conscience. So a voice came from inside him. It said, maybe the person who has lost this money needed it urgently. So he was fighting now in between the right and wrong. He was oscillating. So the right person inside him, God's voice, told him that maybe the person who has lost this money needed it urgently. You should try to locate the owner. So you should go and find out the owner and should give it to him. Sumit was in two minds, so he was going on thinking, he was oscillating in between the right and the wrong. One part of him wanted to keep the money, and the other wanted to return the money to its owner. While Sumit was struggling with his conflicting thoughts means thinking what he is going to do. He remembered the words of his teacher who had said, you should be honest whether somebody notices you or not. When you do a good thing, you feel really good inside. You should take pride in doing what's right. So, he immediately remembered what his teacher said him. So, what did he remember? His teacher told him that you should always do the right thing, whether anybody is noticing you or not, because we have taught you which is right and which is wrong. And when you do good, then you will feel pride because you are truthful. Suddenly he saw an old man searching for something. Somit finally decided to look for the owner of the envelope. But where could he locate him or her? So he thought, where will I find? Suddenly he saw an old man searching for something. The old man was making enquiries from some persons. Sumit ran to the old man and asked, have you lost something? The old man said, son, today I had received my pension. I needed the money urgently because my wife is very ill. I have to get her treated. My wife is very ill, so I have to take him to the hospital, and today I got my pension. but I am not getting my envelope. My envelope containing 1000 rupees has fallen somewhere. I don't know what to do. Sumit said, Uncle, I found this envelope. Here it is. So he gave back the envelope to the man. The old man was very happy to get his money back. Tears started rolling from his eyes. He blessed Sumit again and again. Tears welled up in Sumit's eyes too. So tears also came to Sumit's eyes when he saw the old man crying, because Sumit has helped him sincerely, and he also blessed Sumit again and again. So he got blessings also in return. He felt very happy to have done a good deed. So after doing the good deed also, Sumit felt very happy. He realized that even if he had all the video games of the world, he would not have been so happy. So he thought, if I would have bought a video game in this money, with this money, I would not have been so happy, because I have returned the money back to its owner, with which the owner will treat his ill wife. So this story shows that one should be honest even if it hurts. For honesty, it is its own reward, as we see in the case of Sumit. So an honest person is the noblest work of God. So you all must be knowing honesty is the best policy. So that is also one valuable virtue which you all should cultivate within yourselves. So be true to yourselves always. Thank you all.